This is the letter E. This is the letter F. This is the letter G. This is the letter H. This is the letter I. Let's write it together. Down, top hat, bottom hat. This is the letter J. This is the letter K. This is the letter L. This is the letter M. This is the letter N. This is the letter O. This is the letter P. This is the letter Q. E is for Queen. This is the letter R. And this is the letter S. Let's draw it together. This is the letter T. This is the letter U. This is the letter V. This is the letter W. W says woo, woo, woo. This is the letter X. This is the letter Y. This is the letter Z. Z for zebra. Wow, you're an ABC superstar. See you next time.